Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to do a small meditation. I want you to get back home, okay? Get back here. And I'm generally doing those ones, those meditations when I feel that I'm a little bit outside of myself, when I'm anxious, when I'm not really fully coming from a place of love, okay? When I just feel like there is something that is just like holding on to me, and I usually have them when I'm getting anxious or I'm having one of my panic attacks, for example. And that's when I need to realize how to return back home, because that's only when I can actually do something about it. But before I can take action, before I can start doing that, I need to get back here. And so when I slept from Saturday to Sunday, I actually woke up by 5 or 6 a.m. and I had this really panic attack because there's a lot of things that are coming new into my life and I really don't know how to deal with them. And so it 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 is actually something that I'm very well aware of, and then sometimes it actually does haunt me. So if you feel that as well, that's when you actually have to do the practice, okay? Before you do anything, you need to come back into a place where you feel good with yourself. Don't do anything before you are not at that space, okay? So that's actually why I'm doing today this video. I think it's to share what I went through this night and to really release that heaviness on my shoulders that I need to be able to take care of everything, that I have so many obligations, that there's so many things that I need to consider. It's like the whole weight on my shoulders that is dragging me down. And so whenever I feel that way, and today I'm sharing it with you, I'll go into meditation, okay? So what we are going to do today is to really center ourselves again, to balance. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. And I think we start right away. So what you are going to do is you're going to sit like me, make sure that the spine is straight. If you want to sit on the floor, that's possible as well. Just make sure your spine is straight. If you're lying down, I just find the effect of it is not as great and you cannot feel the sensation that much, but it works as well, okay? Just make sure again, when you're lying, the spine needs to be straight. You can put up your feet a little bit. That makes sure that that spine is actually straight. And with this, I would say we already start. So, make sure that you are actually stretching yourself a little bit, okay? And by this I mean also like touch your body, touch your arms, touch your legs. As in the end, we want to come back home, right? Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold and let go. Let's do this 2 more times. Breathe in through the nose. Hold and let go. Okay, 1 more time. Breathe in, hold, and let go. And now just feel where the heaviness is in your body. Where is that heaviness that you feel anxious or angry? Maybe it's even happiness. Where do you feel is some energy stored? And just observe that energy without any judgment. It's really just a looking at it and feeling. Allow yourself to feel. Everything is allowed. We are not going to push it away. This is also not to solve everything. It's just to be okay the way it is right now. Take a deep breath in, hold, and let go. Take your time to find that spot. And you found the spot, you look at it, and this can even be inside of your body, next to your body. It can be people, it can be a feeling, it can be a situation, it can be a vision, something that just comes up. And you allow it to be there. Breathe in, hold, and let go. Can you feel it? Can you feel that pain? Or the suffering that you have pushed down, that has always been there. It just showed up. Can you actually invite that feeling in and see it as what it is? It's a messenger. So what is the message of that feeling? What is important right now? Why is this coming up? Just look at it and feel. Maybe this emotion is actually just sharing with you to look deeper into releasing something, making you aware that there is something that needs to clean up. What is this voice actually telling you? Generally, it's something like, I want to protect you. I want you safe. It's not about that this voice wants to hurt you. The voice itself, or the emotion, has the best intention for you, for your safety, for your protection. Yet we haven't recognized this in our body. And this is why we're practicing. We're practicing to hear. We're practicing to feel. And eventually to release. So we ask one more time, why are you here? Why are you showing up the way you do? Place your hands to your heart and start to balance these energies. Open up the heart and say to yourself, it's okay. It's okay that I feel the way I feel in the here and now. And everything that I feel right now is temporary. It's okay. Open up the heart and feel how the love is going into each cell, into each muscle, into each being. We open up the heart to see the bigger picture of its presence. What is this emotion teaching us? What is it that we can learn at this moment? And we open up the heart more and more and more until the full body can actually feel how this love is affecting. It's calming, it's releasing. And by practicing this, we can see that the issue we thought is very huge. Maybe just a turning point. It may just be something where we have to be careful. It may be that there is already a solution. So at this moment, we want to not only accept how we feel, but we want to also invite a solution that is helping us to go through this. By allowing the solution to come in. Take a deep breath in, hold, and let it go. Can you feel how your body is calming down? Can you feel how your nervous system feels more relaxed? start to prepare yourself to come back to the here and now. And then you can actually open up your eyes when you're ready. You see, by practicing this, you're not only practicing to speak up for yourself, but you're also practicing to allow whatever is showing up in your life. You're not ignoring, you're not suppressing. And one of the greatest things I feel about having those kind of meditations is that by allowing ourselves to feel the way how we feel, we start to choose more precisely where we want to go in life, instead of just running into something and solving and doing something that eventually is going to hurt us afterwards. So what you're really doing here is you're practicing by feeling what is your next step. And if that emotion is positive or negative, you see, the universe doesn't really have an answer for that, because we say that being happy is good and being sad is crap. But imagine if you would only operate in a super happy phase. You would have so much speed, your body couldn't even hold that. So the other side of it as well is that sadness, for example, is actually calming you down again. It's regulating how you feel, it's regulating your energy. You see, someone who is sad can almost like block himself from moving, right? You can feel their stuck energy. But if you're with someone who is really happy and really going, they're so fast on track, but at one point they have no fuel left. So they have to get back a little bit and get into this balance, because that's about being human. Cannot always be on the super high speed, but you can kind of find the balance and then go with that. And so the more you start to feel into that, and the more you are practicing this, the more you are actually going in life without you know. I find this super helpful. Let me know in the comment section on how this has made you feel. And with this, I'd like to say goodbye to you, and I see you on the other one. Bye bye.